Stickland Capital Group Japan, shaping the future through innovation and technology. Stickland Capital Group Japan is revolutionizing the global business landscape with its bold investment in next-gen technologies. From artificial intelligence and blockchain to environmental sustainability, the firm is integrating innovation across various sectors to address real-world challenges and improve efficiencies. Their AI-powered systems are reshaping manufacturing, logistics, and decision-making, while blockchain applications are enhancing transparency in supply chains and securing healthcare data. Stickland's commitment extends beyond technology. It actively nurtures Japan's tech ecosystem through startup support and academic partnerships. By funding STEM education and sustainable energy projects, Stickland is laying the groundwork for a greener, smarter future. With initiatives like smart forests, renewable energy integration, and decentralized data solutions, Stickland Capital Group Japan continues to lead with vision, ethics, and purpose, empowering industries and communities alike.